sure that it's in place, or if you turn the key on, power up the ignition, the computer say, I don't think something's in place. It's a lockout, okay? So it's for safety. There's what the top of it had on it. There's a label. There's a label right on this thing. What do you think this means? Sometimes things are so simple, they're hard.
Make sure it's off.
Turn the vehicle off, key off. What do you think that means? Disconnect the battery. And I'm not sure why it's in this order, but maybe we should have read the directions first.
RTFM.
That's the service manual, wrench and a book, service manual. So you're supposed to, then this shows you how to unlatch it. So I got that part right. Because, you know, I started out as a mechanic before there's such a word as technician, right? Who did that? Who was a mechanic at one time?
Okay.
You know, I saw the first 609 come out with the, you know, the R134A replacing R12. That was the carburetor days, pretty much, practically. So I'm used to just doing things and then reading directions later. I'm a typical tech, all right? So this is the instructions I'm going to give you right now. Follow the shop manual and instruction labels. They don't always match. You have to use some little bit degree of intuitiveness. Don't always assume the factory scan tool is 100% complete. I had a YTech 2.0. Who knows that's the factory scan tool that you can use as a dealer or an independent afterward? Who's got YTech 2.0? Who's got a micropod or uses the J2534 interface and has the, you know, the Chrysler software on their scan tool? Because if you don't, you'll need to get